Today I'm going to show you how to cut some vinyl. We'll start by turning the machine on. I'm just going to leave it and do the settings first so that you can see it, and then I can zoom out again. Okay, so I'm going to press the home button. As usual, it takes the carriage back to the start. I'm going to pick a pattern. Now for this I'm going to do a flower. Oops. That one. I'm going to take it down to about 85 by 87. That will be fine. Then I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click set. I only want one of them. It is up in the corner. I just think it's going to be there. That'll be fine, that size. So I'm going to press OK. If I wanted to edit it again, I can go into the edit button, and I can go into the object edit button, and this top icon here will allow me to resize. So I'll just take it down one step. That's how it's done. All your other icons in there, they just take a bit of getting used to. We click OK, we click OK. Now we're going to cut this, so I'm going to select cut. Now because I'm cutting in vinyl, the first thing I need to do is go into my settings and make sure that I have the half cut switched on, which I do in this case. I can just press OK. Now I'm just going to zoom out again so you can see the machine. Oops. Okay. Now I have the vinyl on the mat. It is a foil vinyl and surprisingly has stuck without any effort. I've always had to take down foil vinyl. These mats are very sticky and you need to be aware of that when you're putting any medium on there. Okay, I'm just holding it there very gently. Press that button, let it go, and it feeds it in just like that. All set to go. Oh, would be if I put a blade in, of course. I have separate blades for vinyl and paper, always have had. I've done the same now. I don't know that I need to, but I have done the same. Okay, so I've got the blade in, I'm ready to go. I'm going to press start. It's just checking, does its little look around. Then it's just now testing the depth of the paper and starting to cut. It is very, very quiet compared to the CM900. Okay, almost finished, and you press the feed button to have it come out, and then you merely pull it off. Now of course the test with vinyl is how easy it is to weed. So here's one I prepared a little earlier. I'm just going to fold, and I can see where the fold is, and pick it up. It comes straight out. So it weeds extremely easily. Put that aside, get the vinyl off my finger. I also cut this 300 gram paper. It cut this twice, so it measures the depth. If it feels it can't do it in one cut, it does it in two cuts. I have tried other mediums. I'll just get used to the stickiness of the paper now. That will be my next thing. If you do have something that sticks to the mat, just soak it in a bit of warm water and lift it off carefully. I wouldn't suggest trying to de-stick the mat too much because that's always been a problem, keeping them sticky.